Okay, so you know, I've been talking about it and talking about it. I really want to try this DTF Sublimation Hack on wood. So I'm finally going to do that. Here's the wood. Will it work? I don't know. Here is the same, this is the transformation. This is the transfer that I did. So let's go ahead and melt. All right, guys, I got this heat gun for Christmas because I do make a lot of signs. I do a lot of painting, and you have to wait so long in between for it to dry. I ruined a hair dryer because I'm constantly using a hair dryer, so I had to get a whole new hair dryer. So let's try my heat gun on melting this stuff. Why don't we? We're just going to break all the rules tonight. We're gonna try to put DTF Sublimation Hack on a wood sign, and we're gonna try to melt it with my heat gun. Let's see. I've never even opened the heat gun. First time using it. Yay! I had to move back to my old craft room, if you're wondering why I'm so cramped in here. I had to move everything back to my old craft room for a while until we're remodeling some things. Okay, so here's the new heat gun. Can you see? Yeah, if I put it back there, you can. All right, I'm a little nervous. Oh, you can dial up the heat. And dial down the heat. Okay, dial up the heat, dial down the heat. All right, it's getting hot, so don't want to get too close. So I'm going to melt it with my heat gun. Nice heat gun, you guys. If you don't have one, I think my husband got it at Home Depot or Lowe's. But that's what it is. Screenshot that. All right. Okay. I don't know if it's going to work. What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I'm going to cut it. I don't even need to cut it. I'll just, well, I better cut it so I can see where I'm placing it. You don't really have to cut it, but just so I know where I'm putting it on this piece of wood, I'm gonna cut it so I can see a little bit better. I'm breaking all the rules tonight, and it's either gonna be a big bomb or it's gonna be like, wow, look what I did. All right, I'm a little bit of a neat freak, so I like to put things away while I craft. I know it's crazy. Okay, so here it is. Let's lay it down. All right, I got it laid down there. I don't have to put parchment over it, but I'm going to. And I've got this on 400. And I think I'm going to have to do half and half because will it fit over my whole design? Maybe. Oh, you don't want it to slide, and it is really sliding. All right, let's see. I'll give it a little bit of pressure, May have to do it longer than 60 seconds. We'll see. We will see. So, what do you think? Are you, yeah, it's gonna work, or no, you've lost your mind and it's not gonna work? I've lost my mind for sure, but we'll see. I'm excited. How many of you love to make wood signs? Okay, so that's a whole 60 seconds. You know, it's a cool peel, so, all right. It's cold peel. I think, you guys, I think it's gonna work, but I want to do a little bit more heat on it, maybe like 20 more seconds, and I'm gonna do it like half and half. Sorry, so we're gonna go here. We'll do 30 on this and then 30 on that, but I think that'd make it too much. Let's see. I'm excited to see if it works. Oh my gosh. This would be so neat if it does. I would be cracking up. Whew, it is a little bit of an odor that comes off of it though. All right. And then let's do this side. You know, Cricut does make some very nice products. I don't like their vinyl. I don't like their HTV, anything like that. But their cutter, I love that. And I love my little presses. It's just they're very fond of their stuff. Way too expensive. All right. Now let's let it cool, because you know it's a cool peel. Woo! It even went through my wood. My whole wood is hot. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So I don't have a dry eraser, so let's just use this ceramic mug to get some of the heat out. You just rub it across, it'll get some of the heat out. An eraser works very good, like for dry erase markers, that kind of eraser you can get at Dollar Tree. I need one. I lost mine. I may have overheated it. I think it probably would have worked if I didn't overheat it. Let's let it cool. So, turn that off. Well, if it did work, it would look pretty. And if it doesn't work, it's not the product's fault. It's just something fun I'm trying. And I'll keep trying until it works. All right. Let's peel it off. Here we go, guys. It's working in spots. So does that mean I need to heat it more, or does that mean I overheated it? I don't know. All right, so you see some of the ink is still on there in spots. So I don't know if it means I overheated it or if I didn't heat it enough. But I will say, I'm not going to show it to you yet. Let's put this down and let's do another little press on it. Just like we would a shirt. Let's get those fibers, press, so there are no fibers, but you know what I mean. Get it into the grain of the wood here. It's gonna look really rustic. It didn't turn out perfect, I will say that, but I think if I keep working at it, it will work. I think, you guys, what do you think? It worked. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think that's my fault. I think I overheated it. I would say maybe do a 40-second press, 45-second press. You're good. Let it cool, then peel it off. But I will say, you guys, it did work. DTF Sublimation Hack on wood thumbs up, you guys, it worked. Exciting. Oh my gosh, love it. My husband's not going to love it because he's sick of all my Yellowstone stuff I make myself. But anyway, this was fun. Thank you for watching. I had a good time trying this. I've been wanting to try it. Granted, this is not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but I do think it would have worked better if I didn't overheat it. I did. I think I overheated it. But it looks good and it worked. So we have DTF Sublimation Hack on wood. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!